Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to play with your friends in Subway Surfers step by step. First, go to your Google Play Store and download Subway Surfers if you don't already have it installed. Once it's done, open the game. On your main dashboard, you'll see an option that says Play with Friends, and next to it, you might see a message like Get a Reward. Tap on that. Now, Subway Surfers will ask you to connect with Facebook or sometimes with your Google account. If your Facebook is already logged in on your phone, all you need to do is tap Connect with Facebook and it will automatically link your Subway Surfers account to your Facebook profile. Once it's connected, you'll be able to see your friends who also play Subway Surfers right there on your leaderboard. You can now compare your high scores with your friends, see who's on top, and try to beat them every week. But note Subway Surfers doesn't have multiplayer mode yet. You can't race against your friends in real time, but you can compete through your scores and weekly challenges. So that's how you connect Subway Surfers with Facebook and play alongside your friends through Leaderboards. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple mobile gaming tutorials.